Hey everyone, I'm here at Earth Tones Greenery with Kevin, and as you all probably know, there's a massive shortage of toilet paper right now. So we thought we'd make a quick video, making our way through the nursery here, giving you some advice on what you could possibly use
and not use,
you know, if it comes to that. So let's make our way through.
All right, let's look around.
All right, so as we make our way through the nursery here, Kevin, let's go over some basics for everyone.
Yeah, you know, when looking at different plants, there's a lot of different textures, a lot of different types, a lot of different sizes out there. And what we did was we kind of went through the nursery earlier and tried to give each of these plants a grade on whether or not they're really toilet paper worthy.
So obviously some basics, you know, number one, cactus out of the question.
Yeah, cactus is bad.
All right, well, let's find something good for the folks.
Yeah, let me point you over here. So Luke, we've got the Firepower Nandina. I wanted to show you that one.
That sounds kind of scary.
Well, don't worry about the name, it's not what you think.
Okay.
So in this instance at least, but we really like this one.
Yeah. Now the leaves are kind of small. You think that's an issue?
Well, you know, this is would be a really good choice for people that have small children in the house,
gotcha.
And but also the quantity. You go
leaves,
quantity
yeah.
over quality
That doesn't make
for
any
the
sense,
larger person. Well, okay.
All right, so this purple one here looks interesting. It looks got a great shape, great volume to it, but you're not too big on it. Why is that?
Now the Purple Heart, you would just well, there's a problem with this one. We thought it would work good, but in the test runs that we had, it actually left a lot of purple residue everywhere, and you really don't want that on your underwear.
Nobody wants purple bottom. D minus?
I'm gonna give this one a D, but you know, if you were in a pinch and you had to do something.
What about roses? You got roses here.
Luke.
Yeah, that was a bad idea. You were in a pinch?
I thought it was going to be perfect.
Oh, man.
That
is perfect.
All right, Luke, I wanted to show you this one here. This is actually my personal favorite, the cast iron plant.
Okay.
And you can just see, I mean, do I really even need to describe it?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
If you're a hand roller type, you could do that.
Which I actually am.
Okay.
Solid A+.
All right, A+ for the cast iron plant. Ooh,
And
zoom close in there.
That's why you do not want to use Hollies,
Hard
not
pass.
Nature's toilet paper.
All right, Kevin, so what do we got here?
This one's lamb's ear.
Lamb's ear, okay.
And
can I feel it real quick?
oh yeah, absolutely. What do you think about that?
Oh, nice.
Ultra soft, right?
That's ultra soft.
Like this is nature's Charmin right
Absolutely.
here.
So we'll say A to A+.
Yeah.
Sounds good. On to the next one. All right, Kevin. I just noticed this blue point juniper right here, and while the foliage doesn't work well, what if you just chopped a branch off and just used the entire branch? What are your thoughts on that?
Well, Luke, I tried that earlier today. I thought I wanted to be very thorough, and that didn't work out. What we have is actually a crumbling of the leaf pattern.
Ooh.
As you wipe.
Blue point juniper.
We just want to stay away from the junipers.
Okay.
That's
fair
really
enough.
all.
Fair enough.
That's
Yeah, just
really
stay
all.
away
And I
from
don't
them.
want to talk about it anymore.
Okay.
Told you I don't want to do this anymore, Luke. Okay, we got to go in.